bakoranaga kera ari wese ababarozi na barozi arazana mubera ikibazo na murumuna we na nyina.
Bring me Scylla.
Zanira Scylla.
20 minutes, Michael.
Kandi numbesha Michael.
20 minutes.
Minota 40 yonyine. Sawa. Michael avayo.
About earlier.
Sasa Michael namahoni ugeze muhona yafashe umwanzuro ngagambane. Hey.
I do think you're in it for yourself.
Ati rwose umva mukanya katambutse nibyo abaye imbere hose ndagushimira.
For me, that's meant you've also had my back.
Wabikoreye wowe nanjye ubwanjye urankora byose ukora bikorera ngiye nabwo wifasha.
More than once.
Ndetse ne kenshi ubikoze witanga ku bwanjye witambeka akabara gatongo na hejuru yanjye.
And for that,
kubwiyo mpamvu rero
I'm grateful.
Ndashima. I'm grateful.
Take the case.
Fata case ugende.
Yeah. I got it handled.
Nanjye njye nabitunganije humura. Sasa ubanza mama Michael barimo kumukina imikino. Ngo yunga amashire Scylla amuhe barozi. Onde nawe yatse general rendezvous ngo bahure. Fata ka case.
Good luck.
Sanga o felicitation nawe kandi ugira amahirwe masa.
Fuck you.
Good luck na amahirwe masa felicitation congratulations. Ha mari mutangiye ngo hey arabyitiranyije we. Hey karabaye. Ntacyo mba ntazi. Sambaza n'abakomentinga ibintu bipfuye bo bashaka gusa kudushakaho impamvu namwe ndabazi mwaratuziye.
So what are we going to do with her?
Whatever you like.
Umva ngiye gurana Michael amese nayo sigara hangana uyu mukobwa ngo gashaka cyose. Ndaguhamagara ngo yako bitunganya sige nayo ukora icyo cyose wifuza. Urye uryohe uryoherwe. Sara rafunze. Bamusigiye tibaga. Kandi tibaga turamuzi. Dore ubwoba. Kusige baba mu nzu harimo ninjangwe. Ay karabaye. Tibaga bamusigiye iryo yuzuye.
Mr. Mahone?
Hano sasa ngo Mahone yamuhaye gahunda. Amuzanire Scylla.
I don't want to talk about Michael.
Well, it seems Michael did a poor job choosing his friends.
Ese Michael meze rwose Michael yimumbwira. Michael ndamwanga cyane. Byo ngo yakwibeshye mbere usajya kugira inshuti.
Place to help my wife. How does that?
Umva nyeneye nge bahe Scylla unamwe ni gutafasha umugore wanjye ibindi byose nshaka kubyumva.
Bureau says the two agents are questioning Don's self at my.
Sasa anga bazanye ndi makuru. Don Self anga muri Miami afite ivuriro ngo arwariyemo kandi hari aba agent ebyiri barimo kumubaza ibijyanye n'ibyo yakoze amambere hose. Tukora iki?
Attorney General just issued a proclamation for his immunity. You think he's a threat?
Usanga muri kano kanya uyu mugabo ngo Don Self ijenare ameze ngo yamuriko yatakimwitayeho bivuze ngo